Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Google business profile photo. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open your preferred browser and search for Google My Business. From the search results, open the official website. Once you are on the website, click on the Manage Now button. You will be prompted to sign into your account, so go ahead and enter your login details. After signing in, your business profile will be displayed on the screen. At the top of the page, you will see the photo feature. Simply click on it and a new window will open up. In this window, you will find a bunch of options to choose from. You just need to access the Logo tab and click on the Select Photos embed. Now, choose the new photo that you prefer for your business profile. Once you have selected the photo, close the window and reload the web page to see the changes. So that's basically how you can change your Google business profile photo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.